Hello, welcome back once again. We have a full circle with an inscribed isosceles triangle. As you can see, the length of the opposite sides are equal. But the question here is to find the radius of the circle. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a method that will blow off your mind. And this has to do with the application of the Pythagoras theorem. But we need to be very careful. Now, let us connect the line, starting from this point on the circumference to this point here. Okay, now, next, let us take note of the following. Each length here will be 3, right? Because the total length is 6. And let's assume that this is the center of this circle. But before doing that, we need the total length of this line which we have drawn from the arc of the circle to the point where the total length is 6. We're going to do that using the Pythagoras theorem. But we don't need to stress ourselves, right? Because this is just the Pythagorean triple. It should be 4. But if you wish to solve, then let the total length which we have drawn be x. So we get x squared plus 3 squared will be equal to the hypotenuse squared, which is 5 squared. Here we get x squared plus 9, which is equal to 25. We get x squared is equal to 25 minus 9. We get x squared is equal to 16. We take the square root to get x equal to the square root of 16, giving us 4. So therefore the total length is 4. But don't forget that from the center of this circle to the point on the circumference is our radius. Therefore, the remaining length here is going to be 4 minus r, since we know that the total length is 4. Then let's draw this line from that center of the circle to a point on the circumference right over here. And that is also the radius. Now we can see we have formed a right triangle here, and again, it has to do with r. So we're going to use the Pythagoras theorem one more time. And that will give us the solution. I think we did this faster than a machine. So here, using the Pythagoras theorem, we get the hypotenuse squared, which is the radius squared. This will be equal to 4 minus r squared plus 3 squared. Here we get r squared is equal to, expand this to get r squared minus 8r plus 16 and then plus 9. So from both sides, we know r squared get cancelled. So here we get 0 is equal to negative 8r plus 25. So here, collecting like term, remember, the right-hand side is the same as 25 minus 8r. So if we collect like term, we get 8r is equal to 25 minus 0 is 25. From here, we divide both sides by 8. This gets cancelled, and here we get our radius is equal to 25 divided by 8. And this right over here is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Also like, comment, and share.